Chapter 3, Specifying Requirements. Requirements describe in detail what needs to be solved or achieved to meet the objectives of your application under development. You define the requirements in ALM by creating a requirements tree in the Requirements module. This is a hierarchically graphical representation of your requirements. You can group and sort requirements in the tree, monitor the progress in meeting requirements, and generate detailed reports and graphs. In this lesson, you will create requirements in an existing requirements tree. You will then assign the requirements to a cycle in the releases tree. You will also learn how to convert requirements to tests. In this lesson, you will learn about defining requirements, viewing requirements, converting requirements to tests, defining requirements. In this exercise, you will define requirements for testing the functionality of reserving cruises in Mercury tours. To define a requirement. 1. Open the ALM_demo project. If the ALM_demo project is not already open, log into the project. 2. Display the requirements module. A. On the ALM sidebar, under Requirements, select Requirements. B. Choose View Requirements Tree to display requirements in a tree. 3. Select the Mercury Tours application requirement. Expand the Requirements root requirement and select the Mercury Tours application requirement. 4. Create a new requirement. A. Click the New Requirement button. The New Requirement dialog box opens. B. In the name box, type Cruise Reservation. C. In the Requirement Type box, select Functional. Each requirement belongs to a requirement type. The requirement type to which a requirement belongs determines which fields are available for the requirement. Your project administrator can modify existing types and add new types. D. In the Details tab, type or select the following: Priority, for Very High, Product, Mercury Tours website E. Click Submit. F. Click Close to close the new requirement dialog box. The cruise reservation requirement is added to the requirements tree under the Mercury Tours application requirement. 5. Add the cruise search child requirement. A. In the requirements tree, make sure that the new cruise reservation requirement is selected. B. Click the New Requirement button to add a requirement below cruise reservation. The New Requirement dialog box opens. C. In the name box, type Cruise Search. D. In the Requirement Type box, select Functional. E. In the Details tab, type or select the following: Priority for Very High, Product, Mercury Tours website. F. Click Submit. G. Click Close to close the new requirement dialog box. The cruise search requirement is added as a child of the cruise reservation requirement. 6. Add the cruise booking child requirement. A. In the requirements tree, make sure that the cruise reservation requirement is selected. B. Click the New Requirement button to add a requirement below cruise reservation. The New Requirement dialog box opens. C. In the name box, type Cruise Booking. D. In the requirement type box, select functional. E. In the Details tab, type or select the following: priority for very high product, Mercury Tours website. F. Click Submit. G. Click Close to close the new requirement dialog box. The cruise booking requirement is added as a child of the cruise reservation requirement. 7. Assign the requirements to a cycle. A. In the Requirements tree, select Cruise Reservation. B. Choose Requirements assigned to cycle. The Select Cycles dialog box opens. C. Locate the Service Packs Releases folder. Under Service Pack, select the checkbox for the Cycle 1, New Features cycle. D. Click OK to close the Releases tree. E. Click Yes to assign the requirement and its sub-requirements to the cycle. 8. Assign additional requirements to a cycle. A. In the Requirements tree, under Mercury Tours application, select Online Travel Booking Services. B. Choose Requirements assigned to cycle. In the Select Cycles dialog box, locate the Service Packs Releases folder. Under Service Pack 1, select the checkbox for the Cycle 1, New Features cycle. Click OK. C. Version control. If the checkout dialog box opens, click OK. D. Click Yes to assign the requirement and its sub-requirements to the cycle.